Hello friends, I hope you all are fine. Friends, now I will show you live payment proof. Friends, now I am on my dashboard. There is no green split on my dashboard. My dashboard is open, you can see in my license. Only for €110, I have red split license. And now I don't have any green split license. I will show you live how to purchase Smartcoins by buying promotion package. Very good news for all community. How to purchase Smartcoins. I will tell you how to purchase. I have selected €220 package. And in €220 package, I have selected Swiping Smart. Swiping Smart means on dashboard, you can directly pay 0.1 cent. You can directly pay 0.1 cent. How to do it, I will show you. First of all, you have to open your old ID and Platinum Passport in which you have swiped. I have already swiped in my old ID. I will select Swiping Smart. I will click on Check. And I will click on Purchase. As I click on Purchase, my old ID is open. You have to open your old ID and Platinum Passport. You have to open your old ID and Platinum Passport. You have to open your old ID. My old ID is open. And I have available 8,000 for €220. I have to pay 2,200 Smart. Yes, I want to that. Congratulations. Payment is successful. I purchased my license. Congratulations. And you can see, I purchased my license. Very fast and secure. I purchased my license. Now I will click on Account Setting. After clicking on Account Setting, I will go to my dashboard. I have to activate my license. I have to activate my license. And I have purchased my license. My license is in service. 222 means 2,200 Smart. €220 promotion package. Very good news. I have activated my license. My first time. I bought my license from Smartcoin. I purchased my license from Smartcoin. And I got my license from 0 to 12. Congratulations. I purchased my license from Smartcoin. Thank you so much. I hope you liked the video. Like the video and share it with new people. Those who didn't get swiping. Get them swiping. Because it's a congratulation for them. They are getting their license. Thank you so much for watching the video. See you in the next video. To get updates like this, subscribe to my channel. Like the video. Comment. If you are happy with your purchase, like the video. Share it with new people. Thank you so much.